ice maker on the door to keep my fresh batch of sweet tea nice and cold. Just think of its size and of all it can hold. There's a stainless steel extra wide refrigerator with an ice maker on the door, full of healthy choice dinners, tomatoes just picked from my garden. What else? Well, it's hard to predict. Maybe mint for mint juleps with crushed ice right there when I pour. Who could ask for more? I've got everything else right here. A stove and a pot and a whole set of pans. I'm not so restless like you, Frank. I don't think our old life was a bore. Raising our children was winning for me, Frank. They took their first steps across this floor. We've got so much within these walls, my darling. Pictures and memories, all that mattered before. I'm scared to throw out what we already have, Frank, when this life just seems so unsure. I don't want a mansion or designer store or the parties, premieres, and vacations.